Equals if your PS5 is making weird noises during cleaning, you are not alone. We're Kelatos IT, experts in technical repairs. We pick up your device right from your door, run a diagnostic and send you a quote before any repair. No calls, no travel needed. We're located at Calle Joaquin Maria Lopez 26, in Madrid. Link in the description. This noise usually happens due to dust buildup inside the console, affecting the fans and causing them to work harder. Cleaning out the internal components and checking the fan settings can help fix the issue. If you don't want to risk it yourself, at Kelatos we pick up, fix and deliver right back to your door anywhere. Link in the description.